Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you the 4 functions in Excel which are minimum, maximum, count and count A. Let's start with minimum value. Okay, let's say I want to know the minimum value from these numbers. Just by glancing at the numbers we can see that the minimum value is 1. By using formula, how will you determine it? The formula is equal mean. I'm gonna open my parenthesis, highlighting all the numbers, and I'll close my parenthesis. Hit the enter button. The minimum value is 1. Similarly with the maximum value. The formula is equals max. I'm gonna open my parenthesis, highlighting all the numbers and close my parenthesis. Hit the enter button. The maximum value is 9. Here I can see that the maximum value is 9. So the maximum value using formula is showing also 9. Let's say I want to change any number here, like from 9 to 10 or from 1 to 0 or 5 to 6. If I do it, the minimum or maximum value will also update it. If I change from 9 to 10 and hit the enter button, we can see that the maximum value is updated here. Similarly with the minimum value, if I change 1 to 0 and hit the enter button, the minimum value will also update it. It's one of the interesting thing here. Now if we jump into count, what count basically does? Count basically counts all the numbers in them, in any set. Like I want to know in this set, how many cells have numbers. So if I write down equal count, I will open my parenthesis, highlighting the set of numbers and close my parenthesis. Hit the enter button. It says me that there are 9 numbers in the cells. In the set, there are 9 numbers. If I want to know that how many numbers in that whole cell, first I should delete it and then I will highlight. Now I'm highlighting the cells which is beyond number. Oh, sorry, first I have to write down the formula equal count. I'm gonna open my parenthesis and highlight many cells which are beyond number. And I'll close the parenthesis, hit the enter button. It's still showing me 9 because the cells which I have selected here, that doesn't hold any number. There are only 9 cells which are holding numbers. That means in count, the interesting thing is count only counts the cells which are holding numbers only. Let's say I want to write here anything, like I'll write bird and now I'll delete it. Now I'll write here formula, the formula of count equals count, and I'll open my parenthesis, highlighting this set, and I'll close the parenthesis. Hit the enter button, still showing me 9. That means count doesn't calculate any cell which are holding any things. It only calculates the cells which are holding number. Okay, so if I jump into count A calculates the cells which are holding something. That means not only number, any name or something else. Let's see the example. Equals count A. I'll open my parenthesis and now I'll highlight the whole text close the parenthesis, hit the enter button. It's 9. Let's say I'll write here my name. Now if I just delete this, and now I'll write the formula equal COUNTA, open parenthesis, highlighting the text, the set, and close the parenthesis. It's showing me 10. I think you can understand now easily what these 4 functions do in Excel. So that was for today. Thanks for watching.